Hello there. Many years ago, I played Dost, Naraha, which was a song from a movie called Sangam. Came out on June 18th of 1964 when I was a kid back in Iran. And the movie was very long, I remember. I saw it. It was in color, one of the first color movies that I saw. And it has many beautiful songs, but this one, probably the most famous song. Dost, Naraha, which means, I guess, friend wasn't friend, something like that. Dost in Persian and Dost in Hindi means friend. Anyways, people had asked me way back and afterwards to do a lesson for it, and I never did. Sorry for that, but yesterday I was thinking about it. I said I should probably do a lesson. A lot of people had asked me to give them a lesson about the song, and I looked at what's available on the internet, and a lot of it was not to my taste. Maybe it was right, but to me, the chords were not right. But I hope I can present you with better chords for the song. And I put a translation for both English speaking and Persian speaking in there. It's kind of, I'm going to share this page with you on Telegram. I'll put a link that you can see it. And we'll start by exploring the chords. So I play like this, a D minor. And the rhythm is like a waltz rhythm. It's like go. So we'll alternate in between like the fourth string and the fifth string playing a D minor chord. Dost, Nara. Then we do an A7th. Pyar, pyar. Then we go back to D minor. Naraha. And here's the nice part. Then it goes to D major. Zindagi and play G major. Then we change it to G minor. Then back to D minor. Then A7. And then I add a B flat here. And D minor again. So we play like this. Dost, Nara, pyar, pyar, Nara, zindagi mein tera etebar Nara, etebar Nara. Amanetim pyar ke gaye jisko hum safar wo mere dost tum to. So let me show you this part. D minor, Amanetim. Then you go to C major, pyar ke. Then you go back to D minor. C major, hum, saf, then F. Then D minor, O mere dost to mi And I've written all the chords for you, so I'm not gonna repeat it too much, take too much of your time. Then goes sa re me de
Here we played like D minor to C to F to D minor to C to F and then C major. सफर के वक्त में पलक पे मोतियों की टोटी. So here सफर के वक्त में पलक पे मोतियों की टोटी. हो तुम नथी तो कौन And this is my lesson for the song, and I've written it in English with the chords on it. And I have on the side translated to, well, I've written it in Latin alphabet, I should say. And then I've translated to English on the right, and also written in Persian. So hopefully it's self-explanatory, but it was a beautiful song. I still enjoy listening to it very much. It was sung by Mukesh, who was a singer there. And that's it for today. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.